Those showers and storms for this evening, just showers right now. You can see all of that green popping up on the radar this morning. However, I think if we do see anything, it'll be very light out there, very light showers or sprinkles expected this morning. Temperatures in the mid 50s here, 55 in Oklahoma City, 55 in Midwest City, warming up to the 60s this afternoon, bringing several different chances for rain here. So we talked about just that light shower possible this morning, storms this evening. That's why we have that red panel, that red alert icon on there. That comes right around dinner time today. But let's first talk about the wind this morning. We've got wind speeds up to 30 miles an hour today, but gusting 50 miles an hour, especially through central and western Oklahoma, increasing the fire danger out there. And getting right into those storms now happening this afternoon into the late night hours. We do have a slight risk for Ponca City, Enid, Clinton, and Woodward. The tornado index here is a 4 on a scale of 10, highlighted in yellow. So where's the best chance for that isolated tornado to form? Anywhere from Alva to Enid and Ponca City. However, we could also see an isolated tornado highlighted here in green. It's a lower risk here. That's a 2 on a scale of 10. So it's a low risk, but it's still on the board. Other risks here include wind up to 70 miles an hour and golf ball sized hail. I'll show you your full predictor. We'll talk about whenever those storms start and where they're expected to start this morning, coming up on your next Weather on the Fives.